Welcome. In this quick guide, I will show you how to install Microsoft Office. Start by opening your web browser and going to qedu.sharepoint.com. Now please enter your school username and password. Click I accept the conditions of use. Then sign in. Click Yes on Stay signed in. Once loaded, please click the 9 dots on the top left of the screen and press More Apps. Now click Install Apps on the top right of the screen. Then click on Microsoft 365 Apps. Once the page loads, click Install Office to begin the download. When the download is finished, click Open on OfficeSetup.exe. Click Yes on any pop-ups and a window will appear saying Office is being installed. Wait for this install to finish. Once the install is finished, click Close on the window. Now press the Windows key on your keyboard and you will see Word come up. Click the icon to launch it. Once launched, you may get a pop-up like the one on screen. Simply click Change in the bottom right to put in your school email. After putting in your school email, it will ask for your school username and password. Put these details in and click the I accept the conditions of use box to sign in. Now if you click on the account icon in the top right, you should see your school email and personal email show up. Click the 3 dots on your personal email and sign out of it. After this, it will be ready to use. Your laptop is now ready to use Microsoft Office.